Welcome to another Christie Walk video. This one's on birds and bees. Designing habitats that are friendly for birds and bees is really not difficult because they seem to enjoy many of the garden features that we do. Christie Walk is founded on 5 environmental performance criteria. This one's about land, and it's probably the one that's most relevant when we're talking about birds and bees. So making sure that there's good ecological health ensures that birds and bees will be attracted to the area. Some years ago, we put a beehive on the roof. It was really successful, so now we've got 2. We know that bees are important for plant health and food production. Much of the food we eat requires pollination. However, loss of bee habitats, pollution, and threat from other species have impacted on bee numbers globally. We really hope that keeping bees is one way to help preserve their numbers. Here's 2 mini beekeepers with a standard size beekeeper in charge. We've outsourced the care of our bees to some experts at Urban Bee. We provide some plants that the bees like and a dependable water supply. That's crucial if you're keeping bees. We've noticed in summer that the bees prefer to visit a shady water spot. The benefit to our community is that we get to keep some of the honey. We've also provided a few other habitats to encourage insects generally to Christie Walk. We've also invested in bird boxes. These provide a place for birds to nest, which is really good. We've been fortunate to see rosellas coming back year after year and see the rosella chicks hatch. And we've had a few other types of birds as well. We've also got some bat boxes, although micro bats are hard to see unless you've got an infrared camera. We really value our gardens at Christie Walk for the aesthetic, for the food production, for the coolness and the shade they bring. But it seems the birds love them too, and that really adds to the enjoyment of the garden. Apart from birds, there are a number of other creatures that come to enjoy the gardens. Here's some ladybirds on a trunk, but you can also hear frogs after rain particularly, and sometimes we've seen other things like lizards. Thanks for listening. To find more about Christie Walk, visit www.urbanecology.org.au.